Mail call. I got this envelope from Dream Creation and Adventures quite a while back, and I misplaced it. And I found it just recently. Okay. The birthday cake gourmet gum. Hey Shalisa, here's the other gift that should have been in with your birthday package instead of the cupcakes. And the cupcakes, LOL. Couldn't find it until your birthday. Hope it isn't as bad as kettle corn. Thank you, girlfriend. Oh heck, I might as well pop one open right now. Better not have gone out. This package is from Mark Thomas Home Builder. Mark Thomas Builder, excuse me. Fellow Michigander. And he's finally got a sticker. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, Mark, that's bad to the bone. Oh, this is going to be one of my favorites. Check it out. Fellow Michigander. Woohoo! Oh, thanks, Mark. I love it. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, man. That's going to look so cool on my board. I got so many stickers to put on my board. Bug out Brad. What we got here? Almost time to make my gravy. Everything's a little damp because it's so humid out. Woohoo! Man, I really like that one too. Heck yeah! Man, you guys are doing great with these stickers. Yes, indeed. Oh no! Pick a nice, blustery, windy day to do this. Come on, baby. There you go. Don't you dare go out on me again. Let's check it. Woohoo! Could go a little bit longer. Sorry, James Humrick, but I didn't do the homemade biscuits for you. Okay, this one's from Heath Schwab. Unfortunately, I've seen some of you open yours already, so a little spoiler for me. But I'm excited to see this. Big and little fishers, God bless everyone. No kids too small or big to go fish and have fun. Here we go. This is what I got spoiled. Oh, ain't that cool? He took our birth year and got pennies and smashed little crosses in there. My first thought was, is that legal? But I've smashed pennies at the zoo before in the penny smashing machine. That's cool as hell. Oh man, I gotta figure out what to do with these. Gotta get creative. Okay. Alrighty. This here is milk, flour, pepper, and a secret ingredient to add a little flavor. Usually I don't do videos of me cooking. I'm not a big cooking channel. It's something I do every day. It's not a big deal to me. Alright, here we go. Switcheroo time. Switcheroo. I'm gonna get my fire out again. Cover you back up. You don't want the fire going out. Sure enough. Nope. She's still going. Put a little too much flour in there. It's looking okay. Stir it quick before it starts clumping. Oh yeah. Looks like I could have used a little bit more flour. Now, I'm used to cooking my gravy in a skillet so it evaporates real well. Thin or not, it's going to taste good. Just some cheap little drop biscuits, nothing fancy. Yep, she's a little thin. Usually do biscuits and gravy outside. Next time I'll bring a little extra flour. Trust me, there'll be enough time. I'm at the historic Bridge Park. Got I-94 right here and Kalamazoo River. Pretty noisy, but pretty cool park. Thank you, Mark, Brad, Heath, and Donna for the mail. Thank you so much. Thanks, Survival Preacher, for that cool little skillet. I love it. Thanks to the Outdoor Canadian for the little stove. Let's pack this up and go check out the train tracks. Curious if that erosion's still going on or not. Hey, James Humrick, you were telling me about the Miamisburg train derailment in 1986, and I was watching some videos about it, and I got to watching some other train derailment videos about rain erosion and stuff, and it got me to thinking about I was back here August 2nd, and I saw a big pile of rocks that had eroded from the train by the tunnel over here. And I got to wondering if it's still eroding or not, so I'm going to take a peek right now. Almost in view. Uh-oh. Yeah, they haven't fixed it yet. Feel kind of bad not reporting it. Now, if any of you know how to report it, probably should let the train company know. Guess it ain't that bad. It's still concerning. Ugh. It almost looks as though they know about it, because they've got all these like that over there, things holding it up. I don't think there's any cargo trains that come through here. Pretty sure it's just Amtrak. But James Humrick, you had me looking at train derailment videos, and they was talking about rain erosion, and first thing that popped up in my head was the historic Bridge Park, Calhoun County, Michigan. If any of you know how to report that, send them this video. Ugh. Got a tunnel for the water, a tunnel for the cars. This is a really old tunnel. That's too bad. Kind of scary.